Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Freelancer.com, and in today's video, real quick, so today from the forest, I wanted to show you four freelancing, a very interesting type of gig. So let's dive right into this gig that I found. So the gig is about web scraping, and if you check out web scraping, it is actually a super fast growing industry. So you see, like from 2004 to 2021, 22, we actually have like an almost 3x in traffic. So this is on Google Trends. You see the traffic increases 3x in say 15 years. So this it's a very growing industry. The interest in web scraping is massive, and you can also experience this type of growth on Upwork. So if you look at Upwork, you see like there are many type of gigs that concern web scraping. So here's one of those example gigs. You see, like, this is one of the jobs that was proposed to me, actually, to perform a LinkedIn data scraping for 10,000 records, a web scraping exercise. And you see, like, the budget is $200, which doesn't seem a lot, but they are looking actually for someone to extract information from like LinkedIn, following some criteria, like, for example, companies located in some US states with a couple of employees and stuff. So this is actually just using the API. If you look over this, I mean, these are just categories the client is looking for, right? Like companies focusing on information technology specialists, or global information technology director, vice president, information technology, and so on. So, right, I mean, these are just a combination of keywords, and you can actually, like, just take all those keywords, take all those specifications, and perform a simple web scraping search, and get this $200 done. And I would say an experienced web scraping expert, actually, who has finished, say, the Computer Science Academy course about web scraping, that is free for all premium members and free for all Finster Freelancer students. If you finish this course and you have gained some experience on web scraping, then you can actually finish these type of gigs, say, in an hour or so, right? So which means that you can in 1 hour earn $200, right? And you can finish like a series of those type of gigs. Maybe focusing on web scraping for LinkedIn type of data, and you can, like, make $200 in an hour or so. So you could theoretically work an hour a day, earning 6,000 USD per month. So this would be more than a full-time income, I would say, working just 1 or 2 hours per day on a freelancing business. So these type of micro niches type of gigs, these I see on Upwork, the opportunities for those gigs are proliferating in these days, and you don't need to be a genius to figure out these small niches that have significant interest, and that you can focus on, where you can become an expert. Of course, if you need like 10 hours to finish this type of gig, and initially you may even need 10 hours to finish this type of gig, so you would earn, say, $20 per hour for a 10-hour working 10 hours, earning $200. But then over time, like, if you have done it once, if you have done it twice, 3 times, 4 times, the time it takes to finish those type of gigs decreases exponentially until it converges to, say, your the final, the steady state time you require to finish the gig, right? For example, this depends on your skills, depends on your, say your cognitive abilities, right? But in the end, maybe it will maybe so if you are a complete expert in LinkedIn web scraping, then maybe you just need half an hour for these type of gigs, and you can make $200 in half an hour, which I think is a great opportunity. Okay, anyways, my smartphone is warning me, like, the battery state is draining. So feel free to check out the Finster Freelancer course if you are interested in making money on Upwork. And yeah, thanks for listening to this video. See you in the next video. Bye.